Mahateng. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my brother's shirt, like I promised that I'm going to make him a shirt. Yeah, so this is what I did. I took his old t-shirt and then traced it over the ankara, and then took his measurements as well, and then cut according to the size of the t-shirt. And because it's a stretchy fabric, I didn't want to risk, taking everything as from his old t-shirt, so I had to make the measurements a bit bigger so that we can have, space to alter if I made some mistakes, because he was not there. So I took the shirt to my house and then did it. And yes, so remember that I'm not a professional. I'm also learning. I will go for lessons at some point, but because now it's lockdown, I can't. The lady that promised to give me the the lady that promised to give me the measurements said she's only gonna open next year. So next year, yes, I'll go for lessons, but this is how I do it at the moment. And yes, so I made a shirt, and then hope you enjoy the video. And again, I apologize for not going into details because I don't want to feed you lies, guys, because I'm also learning. I'm also learning, and it's very difficult. It is very difficult, you know. So, hope you enjoy the video and the end product, of course. So, yes, just stick around and see. Stick around to the end and then see how it turned out. Hopefully you also gonna try it. Hope that you're gonna try it. It's so nice making your own clothes. It is so nice to make your own clothes. So do enjoy the video. And it was very difficult, my biggest challenge was inserting the sleeves. Oh my goodness, it was so difficult, but at the end I figured out how to make sleeves the correct way, because what I did was just a mess. So do enjoy the video. So this is the end product. Here is a finished shirt that I made for my brother. Well, yeah, this really gave me a hard time. Yo, it's been a long time since I sewed, clothes. So the last time I was sewing, I only did the cushion covers. So yeah, this really gave me a hard time, especially the sleeves. Oh my god, putting sleeves in certain sleeves is such a difficult thing. So oh my goodness, but finally I'm done. So here are the pockets. Here are the pockets. Some design, yeah, no, I'm happy with how it looks like. I hope he's gonna love it as well. So yes guys, this is how I made an ankara shirt for my brother. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not into details because I am not a sewer myself. I'm learning. So I just wanted to show you how I made a shirt. So I can't go into details because I'm also learning as I go. So yeah, thank you very much guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and you're gonna try it as well for yourself. Yes, so yeah, this is how it looks like. I love it. Yeah, so thank you very much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Bye.